Hi, so today we're going to show you how to get the volume of a 600 milliliter bottle of Coke. First of all, we're going to upload an image. So we're going to select the image that we want, and there we go. We have the image there, and we are going to adjust it so that the bottle is in the number 24 of our x-axis. Just like this. Now we're making the image a little bit clearer so that we can actually see the numbers in the x-axis, like this. Now we're adding points around the bottle of Coke, just like this, until number 24. So that all the bottle is covered. There we go.
Okay, so right now we're gonna write here the term ajuste polinómico. It's this one. So here between the parentheses, we're gonna take out these words and we're gonna write the letters that we use from the points of the start of the coca to the end of it. So we take this out and we write A, comma, B, and like that. So well, here we already did it. And we start with the C, and we're gonna put a 3 to check the line if it touches all the points. We use a 5. So we're gonna check, and this is better because it touches more points and it's more specified. So we click here and we can find out that this is our equation. But to make it more specific, we're gonna change it to the decimal terms.
So this is the actual equation that we use, since it's more specific because it uses decimals.
Okay, so here I'm gonna show you the whole procedure we used to get to the result, basically. So here we have a general operation or general formula, which it's formed by 6 terms, around 6 terms. So we have these parentheses that is going to be elevated by 2, in other words, just squared, and multiplied by p. So we have this integral of all this procedure with the highest limit of 24 and this lowest limit of 0. Okay, so now we have that. Excellent. Here it is let me tell you that the procedure is way simpler than what it seems here, but here is the detailed procedure. We used a website to help us called Mathway, which we recommend highly. So here we have the procedure. So we put all this data, and as it is elevated by 2, we're gonna solve just the binomial, which means one term multiplied by the same term. So here it is, basically one term, parentheses, multiplied by another term. And at the end, multiplied by p, of course. So here we have all the detailed procedure, which it's just a lot of numbers, but it's just the binomial, the procedure for the binomial. Once we do that, once we spend several times solving that, we get this formula that is a simpler way of seeing the binomial. I mean, it's just the result expressed. And here we have now all terms together and all simplified. So here it is. And after that, after we solve that, we're gonna get this. Okay, we get these, the exact answer, once we made the 24 and the 0 limit, and we make the operation. So we have this result this fraction here, that is the exact result, and when we turn it to decimal way, we're gonna get this result. This is the final and official result.